In this tutorial, we will learn how to specify stock for use in MegaEdit and how to apply a stock to our products. So just to show you where to specify a stock, and similar to a canvas, a stock is specified independently from a product in case we want to utilize the same stock on multiple products with ease. So I'm first going to go to my catalog section, product types, and MegaEdit. And then you can see that edit stock or MegaEdit stock is one of the options in that subsequent list. So a stock in MegaEdit controls certain aspects of the paper that you want to utilize. So things like color, thickness, weight, and if you've got a texture. So to create a new stock, we just come over to the right-hand side and hit Create on the MegaEdit stock screen. And then we get presented with a few options. So we have the name, which is just the name of the stock that we want to utilize. So I'll just call one general stock, for example. We have a description. So that's just for information purposes. We then have micron thickness. So that's the micrometer thickness of this particular stock. So we have price adjustment. So each stock item can adjust the price based on factors. So there is a base price that we've specified in the product variant that we've seen in other tutorials. And this is a factor price adjustment of that. We have weight, which is the weight of the paper that we want to specify in grams per meter squared by default. We then have color. So this is the color of the actual paper itself. This will not appear in the output PDF, but will appear on the previews. So just to confirm what this is, it's representing the color of the actual stock itself. It's not a color that's printed as part of the job. So for example, if we wanted to use a sort of creamy colored paper, I could find that particular color that I want to utilize. And that is of the actual paper itself. That's not going to be printed as part of our job. Same kind of methodology with this texture upload. So you can upload a texture file to be used in the background of your particular product. Again, this will not appear in the output PDF, but will appear on the previews. So it's representing the texture of the actual stock itself. It is not a printed representation of texture. So with that information specified, we can click on Save. You can see that stock has now been applied with the relevant information shown. We now need to go ahead and apply that stock entry to our product. So the easiest way to navigate to our MegaEdit products is to come to this drop-down list on the top right when we've got one of our MegaEdit resources pages open. And then there's a products section within there. Here will be a list of all of your MegaEdit products. In my case, I only have one. Go to the right-hand side and click on Edit. So it's in this page that we need to specify the actual stock that we want to utilize. So if I navigate across to the Stock tab, you can see I've already got my sample stock selected here. I can add an additional stock on there if I wish to do so, or I can just leave it as one option by deselecting the original stock. Save those changes, and then let's take a look at how that appears on our actual product. So you'll see there, because I have multiple stock options available, I also have the ability to select which stock I want to use. If I only had one stock option selected in those MegaEdit resources, then this option would not appear for me. It would just use the one selected option by default. Select a stock. Any price adjustments will be calculated and applied. Of course, we haven't applied a price in this particular product so far. And then when I hit start, it will load the product with the selected canvas size and the selected stock. So what we should see when this product loads is the color of that particular stock in the background.